Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And in today's video, I wanted to do a follow-up from my last video. And if you haven't checked it out, I will leave it linked for you to check out, or you can click up here for the video. That way, see that video first, so that way maybe this one will make a little bit more sense to you. And so this week I just briefly wanted to talk about how my week was this week, if I've lost any more weight this week. So yeah, let's just jump on in. I think first and foremost I should just quickly talk about my gym. So I'm sorry, I have my phone here because I tend to overtalk. So I go to Orangetheory Fitness, and for those of you who don't know what Orangetheory is, it is a 5 heart rate zone interval training workout class. It's 60 minutes with the exception of today. Today was a 90-minute class and I did it. I feel great for accomplishing 90 minutes. And yeah, so for the most part it is a 60-minute class. So at Orangetheory we wear heart monitors. Mine looks like this, and I wear it on my arm up here like this, and you turn it on. This is going to detect, obviously it's a heart rate monitor, right? So it's going to detect how fast your heart is beating. At Orangetheory, what I've learned there is there are just 5 different zones that your heart rate can go into. So starting off when you first wear the monitor, you will be in the gray zone. And that is just, your heart is just beating. So you're gonna be in the gray zone. So you're gonna work your way from the gray zone to the blue zone, to the green zone, to the orange zone, to the red zone. With me so far? So once you start the class, your coach is gonna want you to get from the gray zone to the blue zone. And you do that by warming up and exercise with whatever they tell us to do. The blue zone, from what my coaches have explained to me, is not really a calorie burning zone. So you're not in the blue zone for very long. You want to get into the green zone, and the green zone is where you burn your calories. Now, the theory behind Orangetheory is if you spend 12 minutes or more in the orange zone, then you will create an epoch effect, which means that your body will burn calories for up to 36 hours after your workout. Now, I remember thinking to myself, oh my gosh, that's going to be so hard to do that. It's not. So every minute spent in the orange zone is called a splat point. And it's such a funny name, but they call it splat because they say it's a sound of a cell fat exploding, which I thought was really cute. So if you spend 12 or more minutes in that orange zone, then you create the epoch afterward effect, which is what we all want. And then you have your red zone. Now, your red zone, when we're in class and there are people whose heart rates do get into the red zone, mine gets in the red zone. Basically, what our coaches tell us is that the red zone is not a stop sign, that it's a yield sign. So always check in with yourself. You don't want to kill yourself to get that killer beach bod. So just check in with yourself, just with whatever you're doing, just slow it down to get your heart rate down a little bit. And that is Orangetheory in a sense. So that's the theory behind Orangetheory in a sense. And I have been a member there since the very, very, very last week of September. And now we're in the middle of March, and I have just truly fallen in love with working out. I look forward to it. I go to the gym 5 times a week, and I love it. We have our little, friends there, and it's just a lot of fun. I personally do better in a class type setting than I do just going to the gym, because I don't know what to do when I go to a regular gym. So that's why I decided to join Orangetheory. But if you know what to do at a regular gym and it's been working for you, then keep going, keep doing your thing. And yeah. And also, another really cool thing is after every workout, you will get sent this report on what you did or how you did on your class. It's going to tell you how many calories you burned, how many spot points you got for that class. It tells you what your average heart rate was, and it tells you like your average heart rate zone. It then will tell you how many at the bottom, which is really cool, is it'll tell you how many calories you've burned for the week, how many you burned in the previous week, how many you burned last month, this year in total, last year, and all time. It does that for your calories and your spot points. And depending on the heart rate monitor you have, it will also do that for your steps. And I really, really, really love this OTB report. It's what it's called, because I like to see if I can improve my workout. So basically, last week I got 82 spot points, and this week I got 133. So I'm like, oh, yay. I kind of killed it this week. The workouts were really, really intense this week, but hey, I did it. I survived, and I feel great. So it's really, really cool to get that report and see your progress. And as far as weight goes this week, I'm down a pound. So that would be a total of 41 pounds, which is awesome. And I'm so excited, you guys. It's just been a really fun journey. It has its moments where it can get a little hard. I think the hard parts are when you hit like a plateau with your weight. And those can be really discouraging. And you just have to push through it, because the next thing you know, like you'll hit the plateau. And then all of a sudden the scale will go like way down. And you're like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. When you've hit your plateau, just don't be discouraged. Don't give up. Keep going. Keep pushing forward. And just remember your non-scale victories. Those are always just as important as a scale. You know, your scale will fluctuate depending on how much water you've drank or how much sodium you've had, how much sodium intake you've had. So try not to pay attention to the scale, and that's easier said than done. I know I'm guilty of it. I step on the scale every day, and I see the plateau sometimes where I'm just like the exact same for like 2 weeks, and then boom, I'll get on and it'll be like 5 pounds less. So it's hard not to step on the scale, but just try not to. And try to stay motivated. I know that that's also really, really hard, but you just got to do it. Like, there are days where I come home from work and I'm just like, I don't want to go to the gym today. But I just told myself, just go. Like, what are you going to do at home? You're not going to do anything at home. What are you going to do? Lay down, watch TV, or, you know, do nothing when you could be at the gym burning calories? So that is just like little pep talks that I have with myself that make me want to go, or make me get up and go. You know, I'd rather just go to the gym, kind of force myself to go. And I find that those days when I didn't want to go, or I didn't feel motivated, or I almost didn't go, are the days where I feel like the absolute best at the gym. Those are days where I'm like, oh my gosh, I really killed it with my calories today. I really killed it with my spot points today. I got way more than 12, and I just feel really, really good. And I always walk out thinking to myself, dang, and I almost didn't come today. So those are really, really just like a great feeling. It's what, you know, it's just a really great feeling to just know that you motivated yourself enough to get up and go do something that you didn't want to do, and then you end up like really killing your workout. It's a great feeling. So that is it for this video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are going along this weight loss journey with me. Just remember, you guys, it's a tough journey, but we got this. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I will see you in the next one.